Welcome to this guided meditation. This is your time to slow down, breathe, and bring yourself into the present moment. Life moves fast, and our minds are often filled with endless thoughts. But right now, there is nothing you need to do, no responsibilities, no worries, just you, your breath, and this moment. Find a comfortable position. You can sit or lay down, whatever feels best for you. Close your eyes gently or keep them softly focused on one point if that feels better. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly let it out through your mouth. Let's begin. Take another deep breath in and let it out. With each breath, feel yourself settling into a place of stillness. Let go of any tension in your body. If you notice any tightness, just bring your awareness to it and allow it to soften. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw loosen, your hands rest. Allow your body to feel heavy yet supported. If thoughts come up, it's okay. Just acknowledge them and let them drift away like clouds in the sky. There is no need to engage with them. Just return to your breath. Now, bring your full attention to your breath. Notice how the air feels as it moves in and out. Cool as you inhale, warm as you exhale. Breathe in slowly and breathe out even slower. Feel your belly rise with each inhale and fall with each exhale. Let your breath be natural, effortless. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to this simple act of breathing. Let's take a moment here. Just breathe. Just be. Now let's bring some awareness to your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly move downwards. Notice your forehead. If there is any tension there, just let it go. Relax your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Let your mouth and whole face be soft. Move your attention to your neck and shoulders. If you feel any tightness, imagine it melting away with each breath. Now your arms, hands, and fingers, let them rest, completely relaxed. Move down to your chest, feeling it rise and fall with each breath. Now, your stomach, let it be soft, let it relax. Feel your hips, thighs, knees, lower legs, and feet. Let go of any tension, allowing your entire body to feel at ease and peace. Now that your body is relaxed, let's release any stress or worries you may be holding onto. Imagine a warm, golden light surrounding you. This light is powerful and peaceful, comforting and safe. As you breathe in, picture this golden light filling your body with warmth and calmness. As you breathe out, imagine any tension, stress, or negativity leaving your body like a soft breeze. With each inhale, you fill up with peace. With each exhale, you let go of what no longer serves you. You are safe. You are supported. You are exactly where you need to be. Now, bring to mind something you are grateful for. It could be something big or something small. Just anything that brings a sense of warmth in your heart. Feel that gratitude in your body. Let it spread from your heart outward, filling you with light and peace. Gratitude shifts your energy, reminding you of the beauty and goodness in your life. Take a moment to silently say, "Thank you." Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the way it flows in and out just like the waves of ocean. Begin to wiggle or shake your fingers and toes, gently bringing moments back into your body. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Take in your surroundings with a fresh perspective, feeling present, calm, and refreshed. Carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. You deserve it.